From the side of government, we've done whatever is required to make sure we mainstream and make it possible for the private sector and all the other stakeholders to participate. We already have the AI strategy in place. We are currently working on the AI policy. We are also looking at concluding the development of data governance policy and strategy. This will also enhance this ecosystem and really position Kenya at the top.
For many years, Kenya has been consuming software from all over the world in terms of purchase and use and all that. But now, with the training that has taken place in the last many years about technology in Kenya, Kenya now is at a position that it can develop its own software. If I use the example of e-citizen solutions, for the last 14-15 years, it has developed itself into becoming a Kenya software house.
And bring a bit more understanding around artificial intelligence, but also that on application of artificial intelligence within our ecosystem and ecosystems that affect government in general and other governments that we support with our technology one way or another.